the scripture. In St. Matthew chapter 23, verse 12. Whosoever shall exalt himself shall be abased, and he that humble himself shall be exalted. So this is why I would like to share this song with you.
Yes, YouTube, I try stars come up with one more video again. And as I say, good day, good afternoon. I want to tell all of my YouTube fans them, big up on yourself. Thanks for the support. I mean, you know, it's a joy for the comment box more time I talk with you guys. When I tell you the truth, just make this thing here come to a success, you know what I mean? But anyway, the video here is the video where all of us are gonna use to steer with direction. You know what I mean? Steer where we're going. This video I'm gonna put right now, I'm gonna make you guys understand some of the time in a life when you make a choice or when you decide to go out on your own and do things where you feel is right within yourself, and you see that plan that you made or that situation not going through. Sometimes you are not at fault. You know what I mean? Even though it's a risk, you're not at fault. The reason I'm coming up with a message here right now is because I want you to stay tuned. You know what I mean? If you have anything doing while I watch a video here, I need if you just pause what you're doing or relax and watch a video here later down. But I watch it right now, I really want you to get everything that I'm saying. You know what I mean? When you understand where I'm coming from, when you understand what's really happening, and more over when you know, say, try stars. Forgive anybody who bring out this action. So here we go now. Normally when I cut the video already and give you intermission, me still I go do it, but before I do it, I go make you know this. Try stars, I go become a company driver again. Yes, try stars. Try. We have him own truck. I go be a company driver again. Now, you guys I wonder which way you talk say. What you mean? Where you talk about me, Dan?
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yes, YouTube, I try stars again. And as I may say, yeah, you're right. Try stars, I go be a company driver again. It's a long story. I'm gonna try to make it short, but if it's not short, you don't have to understand, because I have to give you everything in details. But before I continue with the story here, I'm gonna read something. I read an email from my phone, and then after I read the email from my phone, I get down in the details. I'm gonna understand what really going on, how this thing here set, why this thing come about, and my personal opinion on it. You know what I mean? And moreover, we already know this, because like my subscriber G Unit and Blue Steel and the next subscriber, I remember what the person name, did comment and say them not gonna like your youth. You know what I mean? Them soon start fighting you. People not gonna like the progress where you make. People not gonna like the move where you make. You know what I mean? So when I get down, I read the email, and after I read the email, we get, we start reason what I'm carrying through the line right through. Okay, you don't know, so when try a reason, we go in depth and details, So I'm gonna draw for the phone and make sure I read this. Alright. I want you to pay attention now, and listen to me keenly. Right? You see this email I'm gonna read right now. This email is from the Nova Scotia, the nominee office. It's a Nova Scotia nominee officer. They send me this email, and what the Nova Scotia nominee office is basically it tell itself, but the Nova Scotia nominee office is where when we start our paperwork, we have to send in the paperwork to the Nova Scotia office so that we can eligible to get nomination, so that we can stay in the province or do a PR to become a permanent resident. This is one of the big steps. I'm supposed to read the email, but I just go into some details. I want to pay keen attention. I want to miss no point, so that you understand keenly what TriStars I say and if me make sense. And you don't know if me don't make sense, leave a comment down in the comment box, someone, and talk to me about it. Alright. As I said, the Nova Scotia nominee office is, forget the nomination and all that. Now, this is it. I'm going to read the email. It has come to our attention that you are not working with GTL Transportation. Therefore, you do not longer meet the eligible criteria of the Nova Scotia nominee program skill work stream. You must find a permanent full-time employment within 60 days of this or by January the 30th, 2018. Now, I'm going to pause it right there, so. And I'm going to get down in details. Alright. Now, this is it. And as I always talk to now, so I'm always real. Seriously, I never did have to come and tell him nothing about this. I could just go through, do my thing, because I have a whole lot more video where I can always just put through, and this was out tight. But I tell myself, I'm going to put it out there. And the reason why I'm going to put it out there is, I try to make you, my subscribers, know, and also whosoever do this, where they feel like me don't know. Say them, you know what I mean? But whosoever, calling on me to try crush my thing, you know what I mean? Me do this video just to make everybody understand. Say, when people make plans or when people do things, you do things and you carry yourself beyond the next day. If you understand what I mean, like you pencil out everything in you go far. Right now, we are 2025. That for show you how far I'm gone with my plans. So that means that the whole of them things they already come up with my plans already. So that means that if this happen, what we are going to do? If that happen, what we are going to do? You know what I mean? So I already put them things in place. So, but me break it down. I don't want to carry it too far. I don't want to carry it out of the way. I'm just going to keep on the right this. Alright, here we go. Now, something you have to take some responsibility of your own actions. You know what I mean? And as well, you guys seen in the last videos that I make, when I try to tell them the fight me I get, and the ups and downs, and the fire when I get this, and fire when I get this, and ray. You know, I hide nothing, I tell you, right? Now, when I don't see the situation, and I don't know what I go on. And after I say this, I don't want nobody pick up for me, but I want to tell me in the comment box if I make the wrong move, Now, if you get fired 2 times from a company, see, and this is when I first one, enough things I have, So listen, if you get fired 2 times from company, would you line up yourself to get fired the 3rd time? That's not gonna look good for your resume. Even though all of them things you explain to you don't see the stream of where it's coming from. You understand? So would you line up yourself to get fired again? Alright. That being said, now as I say, you have to take responsibility for your action. So when this come out, or if this come up the right way, would have to accept it and say to myself, try. Are you put yourself in that situation and say can't blame nobody? Me say that, I'm going to read about the first part of the email again, and I want all of me talk them and all of me sistering them for us. You know how storyteller, and if you can write poem or story, or you can read details or read through the line, you know. Listen what it say. It has come to our attention. Let me read it again. It has come to our attention. Remember, it never say on our investigation or our ray. It has come to our intention. No, attention. Attention. Sorry, not intention. Attention. Now, I put them on the phone. Let me get to this now. That simple means somebody call them. Alright, cool. Now, before I come to the conclusion here, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to break down some things tone first. I could have an understanding. Because when I do my research already, I know what is what already, But because I put it out there, I want to have a clear understanding where I'm coming from. I know so I'm not accuse nobody. I'm not just jump down a case. I'm not overdo this thing like I feel like say yes, TriStars. I blame people for wrong things. You listen to me. Listen. Alright. Now, in the earlier video, me make it know straightforward said when me get fired from the first company, when the first company send the email to the nominee in Nova Scotia place, say me not longer work there, them contact me the next day. The next day. Alright. How long now TriStars stop work with a company here? If we go off, go do him thing. After TriStars do medical and everything go through, and this about over months. I want to hear me say months. Full stop right there, so I'm gonna keep that one right there, so I'm not gonna worry with it. Keep it right there, so full stop. Make me carry on go right here, so. No. Sometimes you tell people your business. See? But sometimes the reason why you tell somebody your business is because they want to show them that there's a better way. So sometimes when I talk, a man might feel like say, yes, TriStars, you talk too much or you tell people too much of your thing. But I'm going to tell you this, what me know. See, sometimes when you keep everything to yourself, I'm not going to say a selfishness, but sometimes when you keep everything to yourself, it's like sometimes, because me not learning process, you not learning process. And sometimes when a person comes to you with that information, sometimes they want to get a feedback if you know if this thing or if you know something more, if you know another channel. Sometimes just want to do everything by yourself and then you get stuck and then when you get stuck now somebody say, but don't die, you could have come to me and ask me and then you see me I say? But sometimes sometimes you don't know who to ask, but you still have to make that, especially when your mind tell you say yes at the route if you go to the channel if you take. Sometimes you want to just know like from somebody. Like, you say, yo, you don't know, me fresh in a place, I don't know that already. Me fresh in a place, so I go want to know. And remember, I not have no other friend outside of my own. I mean, I say this like me a racist or nothing. I'm not, no. I'll go and link same way. But me not have no white friend, me not have no friend like a Jamaican alone, I have as a friend them. If you tell you the honest truth. Because, we may pass and heal, but me don't have. If I tell you, I have a white person, the only person number I have when I'm bridging from England. And that's the only person number that I have. And I hardly even call him. You understand me I say? So I don't have a next person number. Only the link them, the surrounding. So a man can't tell me say, me go outside this and read. Nobody know my business. Nobody know my thing or know me I do like that. Only my own. Follow me now. Follow me. Now, after me get this email here and I start do my research. Before me resign from my workplace, when me never they tell whosoever, when me never they tell them say, the reason for even though me resign, me have a legit reason why me resign. I'm gonna tell you now. In the earlier video, we make you know say, me meet an accident where a drunk driver run at the back of the tractor. Right? Cost me fee, I go hospital back and forth. Not hospital, therapy and that kind of thing. Now, when me start work at this new company, I'm going to go back to the doctor and then check me up. Then look at me and tell me say I need 3 months off. Because if I continue, I go mash up my back and whatnot. Now, marketing, if you're going to take 3 months off, you're going to need money. See? Now, the next step was, if you're going to take 3 months off, you'd have to go up on a thing called workers' comp, that would be the company insurance. Now, when we go to the company and tell them what the doctor say, now, remember, I never have the accident with this new company, So, by right, we'd have to go up and feed them workers' comp insurance, and that, I never with them, you know what I mean? So, the boss himself did understand my reason of leaving, and him did fine with that. You know what I mean? Now, but have the whole of them truck thing and line up, plan up a long time because me don't put my thing together from day one. Right? Now, me explain this to you perfect so you can understand, you know. So, where the informant never know is that even though them call and feel like, say, me would have think say the company call, pause right there, son. You must think the pause upon, keep focusing on, not going away. Alright. Now that me done explain a part of it a while ago, this is what me make you know now. Let's say them see me on YouTube, I do videos and all that. Market clear, you know. Me go make you know now, because I want to know what I'm telling you now. Before me get this email, a good while me get that email here, the 1st of December. And if you can remember, especially some of my YouTuber them where with subscribers them will say, TriStars, oh, when I see the new truck, where new truck there? Me never post nothing. Me not post it because me know say, you know, my little thing there right there, so for break out of the pack. And so me never post nothing. See? Until me know say everything clear and everything good before me even read, just in case them or whosoever I follow my YouTube page. Yet still, me don't use my real name for my YouTube page. But now I say them can't find me, but you gotta put on some work to definitely find. TriStars for say, try, you know, leave company or whatever. Alright, we now stretch apart there because we know personally say another. Personally say another. Let me continue. Now, when me check the levels of what really are going now, the company call me, and this before me get the email, you know, the company call me and say, is everything okay? I'm gonna say, yeah. I'm gonna say, is everything, yeah, I'm good, everything is alright. But me never know the purpose of the call. But me never ask neither. Me just tell her everything alright and ask her in reverse if everything is alright. And she said, yeah, I'm just calling to check if everything is okay. Now, me come to know, so the reason why I should call are because the province called there to confirm the information what them get. No, talk to me now. Talk to me now. If I did YouTube, then get it off. Clearly, they're not say boy, you know, I that go on or whatever. If I did the company call them, clearly they don't need to call back the company to confirm because the company sponsor me. So once the company call them and link them, they are going to link me back same time. Remember, it happened already. So yeah. That brings me back down to this now. In a life, sometimes you try your best and you see where it not work out and you wonder what happened. Are the same people them around me done? Are the same people them there surrounding? Are the same people them I try to stop your thing, my youth? People want to listen to me. No, this already. No, this already. No, but I just break it down to that part if you make you know say, all them tricky, all them steer, all them project them thing to make it look like so well then it a come from because them know, as I say, me know based on the situation, me know me not in the 100% straight lane, as in when I say straight lane, I mean say everything cookie and me resign and I do my thing and me never did really have me card yet, but me do everything. And what the informant never know, the information when call and give, me out of them hands long time because me not the right this so again. Me gone all the way medical, me the way a federal now. No, me go explain, me go break it down, me go tell you why me just said that a while ago. This is it. After me get the email, the 1st or the 2nd of December, seeing? me get call the 8th or the 10th of December to bring in my passport to get me permanent resident now. Listen to me now. Listen to me. Listen to TriStars. If it was the government system and do them research and do them advance and say, boy, that you know Ray and this and that and whatever. See? Or is it that one part call me for carrying a letter and the next part I call me for carrying me? I know I'm smart when I need to break on that no further. And maybe I think to yourself, say, try, why you taught this no and I have my thing now, man. I'm straight. I'm good. I have a video I release and show now. Say, when I go pick up my paper and everything and the whole work. So I have it. You know what I mean? So I try to tell you some more. And one of the things is, you see, after I get the email, I don't even, I read it, my bill, and the first thing I do, I call my lawyer, forward the email to you, because they send an email to me personally, so I forward the email to him because him nobody get it. See? The second thing I do was call up my company, tell them what really, what is what, and the boss said to me, all they need to do is come back and work then. So that's what I do. Now, I get my paperwork, my market now, I get my call, I get my permanent resident, I get everything, but I still have to go back to work. Now, me tell you how this thing come to be a success now. Now, me wonder which part of your truck they try, when I have a driver. I employ a driver, put him in the truck, in the road about 2 weeks now, I'm going good, everything is everything clear. It's a joy, it's a good feeling. Now I employ somebody that work for me now. Me I pay them, everything, truck I run, everything alright. Now, me going back to work, I go back to work for 2 reasons. One, I go back to work because I respect the company for never hesitate for even say, yo, try, come back to work. Or Ray or whatever. But never hesitate. You understand? Then they say get a letter from the doctor say you can work based on your back, because remember they never have no because I could have do a round, go and do some round town and the meanwhile until everything. But they not have no, my company, they not have no round town run or some long run. I may sit down for hours. And because of that my back, you know, take time I go back in a situation where in before, and that's why the doctor put me out for 3 months. So that was the whole thing. You understand? So that's why I just resign. And that's why when I resign, in the video I say something I believe on good terms. And when you see come back, where the company not to be hesitate. If you say, yo, come in, try. Come back and work. And come do your thing. See? Now, I go back to work. I'm a permanent resident, I'm not happy. But I go and do it because I respect that. And you never bite the hands of feed you. And sometimes you turn your back on an opportunity. Or, as I say, I feel good. And the next reason I have for this is because I want to go in as a new worker. I want to vlog this for my new subscribers, them, or for me subscribers, them, I think about coming at the system, how to operate as a company driver. So now I have the opportunity to do it over and show no what I go on. I have the opportunity now for make a whole heap more out of this vlogging thing and make it look more hands-on. I can see straightforward what I go on, carrying it down through lane, you know what I mean? And I I'm going to use and also, we go and then make hear me send a yo TriStars. You see me as and I like the stars from the end part of my name. You know why? Me they way above them, brother. Me they way above them. They miss. The informant miss. I mean know who you know. But me ask you, me subscribers, and come know we burn them, you know. But me ask them if you just forgive them too. Because me forgive them. You know what I mean? And me not say this because me look fame. I'm not say this because I look at hype. I'm not to say it because it's funny because actually you're a good youth, man. No, I'm not to say that. One time I just real up long time. But no, I get to understand the nature of life better. You understand? And a long time I work with me that word I go again. Anyway, I use that easier one. Negative vibes to build myself. You know what I mean? Sometimes when somebody try to bring you down, don't fight fire with fire. My mother always tell me like something, you know. I know I understand it. No fight fire with fire, man. Make them go and blaze them fire. But you see, if you now burn up, walk through the fire, man. Walk through the fire. Take a little time, man. So we never give them no strength. We never make them know so them plan to come true. And now me I put it out because I have the thing now. I know you can't stop me, brother. I gone through. And even if that video here if go anywhere else, we did go back to work. We did start back my work. We did send in a letter. So say me start back work back with the company or whatever. So me still no break no laws. You understand? So me still there pan track. So the moral of that video here, I even don't just target, I'm gonna say it again. Don't make negativity carry down. You know what I mean? Don't make your surrounding carry down. And sometimes if you want information, you have to ask some people. Sometimes maybe the wrong person. But remember me tell you, sometimes in life, when you see like on a plant's not working out, sometimes you say want to make a thing the right way and whatever you say, you don't care where you don't care. Sometimes you just cut off every single soul just to go through. Because at them see man, nobody don't want you go ahead. Nobody don't want you reach. Everybody feel like saying if seeing people are fighting, dog. Because we can't even look on it and say, yo, as somebody else outside a war going and say, oh no. Remember, me I care back to YouTube again. If I did say past company or say whatever, remember, I find a match with the medical. A long time I do it, so you don't know so I get through. I have a woman. Or you know say I never married. Or you know all of that. Anybody know them information and people where they're not surrounded. When I say surrounded, I'm not going to say maybe the exact person me talk to, you know, but me can talk to that person here and that person here say it to somebody else. You know what I mean? And you say it to the next person, catch him jealous, catch him in bad mind, catch everything, every feelings, everything. I pray for a man and I wonder, oh, him not get through yet, but yet still, and call in. You know what I mean? Give information away so the people then get the information and call my company, ask what I go on. My company I confirm, because my company not going to tell a lie. Okay, you don't know that against same thing. You know what I mean? So same time, then call me and ask me if everything is alright. Very. But you know, as I say, don't left out God in not everything I do. And as I say YouTube, TriStar is there upon a journey. And I'm not gonna make nobody at all stop me. You know what I mean? I've been through worse. This what I'm coming with right now. This is nothing. This not shape me. You know what I mean? That little thing here with them run up and down with. This little thing here with them try for Anyway, I want to stay true. You know what I mean? I want to continue to give me the support and not give me from day one. You know what I mean? Really appreciate it. You know what I mean? And I'm there for read everybody email. I'm there for read what I go on. We have tons of video come out same way. You know what I mean? And TriStar as I tell you, remember to share the video. You know what I mean? And if you're new to the channel, TriStar is keep it real. And TriStar is all about the new truckers them and the veteran them also. But you don't know the veteran them in the thing long time, but the money will just come in at the thing. TriStar is there with all of the information. You know what I mean? We email everything then at the description. And you can send me an email, ask any question. You don't know me there. You know what I mean? Me there, me I go on easy. You know, any little, yo, hear me say, man, respect and thanks to throwing in again. And as I say, me not hide nothing. You know, we keep it real. Me never have to come up with this. Because everything cook, everything gone back to normal, but what? Me I vlog it and me I keep it real. Me not have nothing to hide. You know what I mean? Me decide to me I go do my YouTube thing. I'm going to build myself. Because I trucking. But more I go way beyond trucking. You know what I mean? And if I can have a company I run and go and do my thing with me like, nothing wrong. You know what I mean? And who to tell me, I come out of the company with a different truck again. Stay tuned and see what I go on. Because the informant a bill me and don't even know. He might bill me. I'm going to tell him respect and thanks. I never even that thing about to get a driver. I never even that thing about that. Never even that thing about to buy a new truck. Right, me tell you. Yo, hear me and say, wipe out that part because surprise, more surprise. Hear me and say, YouTube, big up on yourself, try stars, peace, love, enjoy on yourself, enjoy the rest of the day, big up on yourself. You're done now, alright, you are gone. After me feel happy, you know, me feel good. So a long time, I tell me I'm going, I'm not going it, alright. I'm telling a story. I have a little last story. This is a bit tip. That's why if it's still there. If it's still there, hear my story down. You saw me there at Jamaica, and when we used to sell kiss cake, this is what happened. One day, when I send everything on May pen, wrote me that May pen. So we used to sell all of the school gate them in the early morning. So them have them kiss cake to sell the children them in the morning. So anyway, I go to this specific school, primary school. We always go there every Monday morning. And you have the big stall, the big stall, have everything where you pick them always surround it. And you have a next medium stall where you go on like you want for like a big stall. And you always have somebody where try one little thing with a little pan or one little box. They way down in the party. So take care of yourself from everybody. You always see that most of them get. They don't know what I talk about. But anyway, at that specific day, I go to the school gate and I sell everybody who buy them box, who buy them half case and whatever and whatnot. And before my driveway, I want to go down to the lady where they have the stall, where they have a fair to go stall way down at the end of the fence. Take care of yourself from everybody because she have her two little thing them on a little bucket and her little igloo one side with her little juice night or sell and whatever. So anyway, I want to go down there. Nobody really down there because nobody really that buy, Maybe she knew, so. Anyway, I want to go down there. Why may I go down there? Before when I reach about 3/4 of the journey walking, because the van park down at the school gate. I want to go down there. So when I'm on my journey, I walk down there, I reach about 3/4 mile. Or 3/4 away from her. Quarter left to reach her. She look up and see me and she said, I don't know where you're going because I don't have no money. I look at her and say, who will tell you say? More you buy nothing from me. She said, you know where you go then? I walk down the same when I reach. I said, look here. I may spend money with you in the morning. You're not spending money with me? I say, yes. Here I'm going to spend the money now. I'm going to leave 6 cupcakes with you. And this is on me. And she said to me, go on. You just come in with a sweet mouth. Because next time I have to pay for it, see me. I said, no. I buy them from myself and I give them. And if you sell them off, next Monday, you're going to need to buy 6 more. Anyway, I drive a van down there and I give her the one them that are the regular one them sell fast. I give her, I think I give her 4 regular and I give her one of the chocolate one and one next one with the cream on top of it. I give her 6 of them. And I leave her. She said, thank you about 10 times. I said, no worry yourself, man, do your thing. You see, next Monday, I saw me see a woman stay. Because I stop at the big gate, big one, and I saw me see a woman stay. And I said, I went on a plane share wave. The woman a fan me down. So anyway, I sell and I walk down to her again. You know what she said to me? 3/4 journey. We are going to 2 long and. Now a smile come on my face because I said, Jano, last week you asked me where me I go. You know the money. Now you asked me I go 2 long and after me don't know where I go on. So anyway, I go for the van, I put 6 kiss cake in one of the boxes and give her. So when she opened the box, and what she said to me? I want box more and the woman have her money and she ready to buy her 1 box of kiss cake. I said, I tell you that story there. If we come back to this. Sometimes you have to lose for win. Sometimes you have to give up your rights for win. Sometime in our life, you have to say no or when a yes. That may I leave on with today. So big up on yourself and thanks for tuning in. I try stars. Peace.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.